Hey, what's up? It's Jesse with Rendell RV. Today I want to take you around this 2022. It is a Platinum Edition Salem FSX 179DBKX. The X at the end stands for Platinum. You can get this in 10-sided or fiberglass. So I'll give you a quick tour of the outside and then hop on the inside, show you around. So up front, one propane tank. There is a power shutoff switch in the front also. This thing comes solar prepped. Your under storage, a little extra storage there. I got the electric awning part of the way out. It's kind of windy today, so I didn't bring it all the way out. Under here you get the LED light strip. The sign here is talking about the enclosed underbelly. You'll see down below there. Couple plug-ins if you need them. Mini fridge, some storage, more storage there. That's your 30 amp cord. Below here you do get a quick disconnect for the propane. So that's if you want to bring your own grill, you can plug it in there. And that's an outside shower. This will come with a spare tire. It's just not mounted yet. Backup camera prep. It's also got the black tank flush. So back in the back you get the double over double, the wider bunks. Pretty good storage there. Your dinette can make down to another bed. There's one wardrobe over there, overhead storage, and your couch. Excuse me. And this right here is a Murphy bed. I'll take that down here in a second. This side, your kitchen area, which is a 2-burner stove. Single bowl sink. So this and that glass cover kind of gives you that more counter space. This is the Ever-Chill full electric refrigerator. Runs on 12 volt. And your bathroom. You can grab these cushions, we'll get this Murphy bed down. It's got a little latch right there. The base comes down. And the mattress comes down. And that's your standard queen size, RV queen size mattress. But yeah, that's a quick look at this Platinum Edition 379 bunk model. Weighs around, let's get it dry weight here. Dry weight shows 3,600 pounds. 2 of these just rolled in. If you're interested, you can check us out on our website at rendelrv.com, or you can call us at 903-326-4080.